Today let us have some problems basing on probability. Your first one is cards marked with numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 20 are well shuffled and a card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the number on the card is a prime number, second bit divisible by 3, third bit a perfect square? There are 20 cards. Cards number 1, number 2, number 3, like that 20 cards are there. Your solution total number of possible outcomes are, total cards are 20. So number of possible outcomes are 20. And your first one, a prime number. Let us see what are the prime numbers. Let us write. Prime numbers are 1 to 20. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So these are the favorable outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 8. So probability of getting a prime number is favorable is 8, possible is 20. 4 2s are, 4 5s are, 2 by 5. So first bit, your answer probability of getting a prime number is 2 by 5. Second bit, what is the probability of getting a card having number divisible by 3? So what are the numbers divisible by 3? Let us find. Numbers divisible by 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Next multiple is 21. So your number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of getting a number divisible by 3. Number divisible by 3. Favorable outcomes are 6. Possibly 20. 2 3s are, 2 10s are. 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Now, third bit is, what is the probability of getting what is the probability that the number on the card is a perfect square? What are the perfect squares from 1 to 20? Let us see. The perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16. I hope you know what are the perfect squares. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16. So your number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. So probability of getting a perfect square is 4 by 20. 4 1s are, 4 5s are. So 1 by 5 is the probability of getting a perfect square. I hope this is clear to you. Let us discuss one more problem. So your next question is, an integer is chosen between 0 and 100. What is the probability that it is divisible by 7? Not divisible by 7. Actually, this is a very tricky question. You see, an integer is chosen between 0 and 100. So what are the integers between 0 and 100? Number of integers between 0 and 100 is equal to 1 to 100 means total 100. Between 0 means from 1 to 99. So number of integers between 0 and 100 is 99. So number of possible outcomes is 99. Number of possible outcomes is 99. Now your first bit is, what are the numbers divisible by 7. I hope you know the numbers divisible by 7 from 1 to 99. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84, 91, 98. I hope this much. So how many numbers divisible by 7 are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So your favorable outcomes are 14. Number of favorable outcomes are 14. I hope this is 14 only. So probability of getting a number divisible by 7 is equal to number of favorable outcomes are 14 and possible are 99. I hope 14 is divisible by 2 and 7, but 99 is not divisible by 2 or 7. Yes or no? 14 is only 2 and 7. 99 is not, leave it. So this itself is in lowest term. And second bit is what is the probability that it is not divisible by 7. When you have gone through the lesson, you know that probability of getting an event and probability of not getting an event are complementary to each other. The sum of two complementary events is equal to 1. That means probability of getting the number divisible by 7 is 14 by 99 and probability of getting the number not divisible by 7 will be 1 minus 14 by 99. Okay? Because probability of getting the event and probability of not getting the event, they are complementary to each other. So, probability of getting the number not divisible by 7 equal to 1 minus 14 by 99. 14 by 99. You can write some probability of getting an event plus probability of not getting an event is equal to 1. Okay. So LCM is 99. 99 minus 14. You will get 85 by 99. Even 85, 5 17s are 99 is not divisible by 5 or 17. So this itself is the answer. With this we have come to the end of this chapter probability, and almost many varieties of sums I have explained you. You practice well, you will be able to do well. Thank you.